In its 7th year, Health and Safety North continues to grow, bringing in enhanced educational programme and some of industry's leading influential voices to Bolton Arena. A new, larger venue accommodates a growing number of leading companies and health and safety professionals keen to engage with those brands and each other. Opening the 2-day event was Kevin Myers of the Health and Safety Executive, briefing delegates on the very latest developments in health and safety.
For HSE, it is actually about getting the message that actually health and safety done right is an enabler to business. It enables dangerous things to be done in a way where people aren't exposed to or aren't damaged as a consequence of it, and that's an important part of our work.
The event, which is free to delegates, includes many chances to enhance a person's continuous professional development with a wide-ranging series of seminars and dialogues led by influential speakers.
I'll be here tomorrow as well, so actually taking both days just so I can attend all the seminars that we want, just to maintain my own knowledge base and maintain my own CPD.
In my job, I need to keep up with whatever's changing regarding legislation, and one of the things that's changing this month is the first aid at work regulations, and you can't always get the information online, which is why I've come here today to speak to somebody to see if I can get a clearer picture.
It's a great opportunity to meet our customers. The audience it attracts are the people we want to be talking to, so health and safety professionals are the target audience for our personal protective equipment.
And those health and safety professionals could get hands-on experience of some of the latest equipment from more leading brands.
So we have this year a new range of mechanical protective gloves, which is called Active Armor, and they are made by injection molding of rubber on the glove, whilst the traditional gloves are made by dipping. By this we can make a glove with a reasonably thick layer of rubber, but it still remains very flexible. And obviously, because of the thick layer, you have a good impact protection also on the back of the hand. Moreover, they offer a very good dry grip.
Well, essentially, we deal with organisations in the corporate sector in regards to emergency solutions. So any product that involves an emergency, specifically defibrillators and evacuation chairs, the evac chair.
This is the sound monitoring badge. This monitors the levels that you're receiving throughout your working day. So you don't want this to go anything near about 85 without any form of hearing protection. So if that is happening and you get this sort of reading on the dose badge, then your employer needs to start thinking about using hearing protection.
Common amongst the people I spoke with was a commitment to attend the showpiece event of the year, and that is the health and safety event to be held at the NEC in Birmingham in March.
We're really looking forward to Birmingham, and there's two main features that we're involved in. The first one is we're bringing an emergency bus, so it's all about educating and finding out a little bit more about health and safety. In addition, we're doing 3 VIP breakfast briefings, so we're getting the good and great of the UK all together in one room to talk about health and safety.
The dialogue sessions are a good chance for people to speak to a panel of specialists in a particular field and give their views and explain some of the difficulties they encounter in their jobs as well. And we're really hoping for that two-way discussion with people during these sessions.
In Birmingham next year, we will be launching 3 new fabrics for new designs and for niche market and for general market chemical and water protection industry. These fabrics are new to the market and will be helping in comfort and protection of the worker.
At Birmingham we'll be doing a presentation, maybe have some of our new equipment there. We've developed mobile confined space training units, and we travel around the country with that, very busy with it at the moment, and hopefully have one at Birmingham for people to see, so to actually experience the thing as well as look around and hear the presentations.
It represents a new venture for us, a slight departure from our regional exhibitions format. It'll be our first delivery of a national health and safety event. It's already almost 85% sold. We have a full conference programme already on the website, healthandsafetyevents.co.uk. That's ready to go. You can register straight away. A lot of the exhibitors that you've seen will be available. Their teams will be on hand at the NEC show. And there you've got a huge range of the very best in personal protective equipment, respiratory protective equipment, some of the foremost training providers. The quality of advice that you get from our exhibitors, I believe, is second to none.